and the house. Today I'll be showing you how to make Cheong Cheng Fish.
Cheong means gravy and Cheng means steamed. So Cheong Cheng Fish means gravy steamed fish. All you need is 2 tilapia fish fillet, 2 shallots, half a bulb of garlic, 2 slices ginger and 2 chili padi. Finely chop the shallots, garlic, ginger and chili padi. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a wok. Add the shallots, garlic, ginger and chili padi and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1.5 tablespoon tauchu, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, half tablespoon light soy sauce, and half tablespoon sugar. Saute for 2 minutes. Spoon sauce onto fish. Now steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's ready, garnish with spring onions and red chilies. Our Cheong Cheng fish is ready!
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with friends. Bye! See you in my next video.